Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you been wondering how to record your screen while teaching? Someone actually asked me how I did mine, so I decided to make this quick video to show you step by step. Let's dive in. Okay, the app I use to record my screen is XRecorder, as you can see here. There are some phones that comes with inbuilt screen recorder, but mine doesn't come with that, so I had to download a third-party app to enable me record my screen. If you don't have it, no worries. All you have to do is to come to Play Store here and you search for XRecorder. Yeah, XRecorder. Is all you have to do is to download it. So once you're done downloading it, you come over to XRecorder and you open it. As you can see, I'm currently using it to record this video. This is how the interface of XRecorder looks like. As you can see, these are all the videos that I've recorded so far. Next thing you want to do is to come to settings here and change some settings that you don't want, or enable some settings that you want. Okay, the first thing here is floating ball. Okay, let me just enable it, and you see when you click on enable, it's asking me to display it over other apps. So when I click on this, okay, as you can see, the recording is showing here. When you enable it, this is what you can do. You can either come here to click on it, you see pause, stop, use the brush or whatever. Then the next thing you want to do is to come to audio settings here and you increase the volume to 200 so that what you're saying will be very audible, right? Once you're done with that, you come to video settings. Okay, it said I can only modify this when I'm not recording. Because I'm currently recording with this, I can't do this. But on video settings, there you change the either you want to use 4K, 2K, 1080p, 720p, whichever one, you pick it. Then we have the orientation, whether you want it to be auto, landscape or portrait, you understand, whichever one that suits you. Then you just go through all the settings to see the ones you want to turn on or not. Okay, you can see this face cam, which means that if you want your face to show while you are teaching something or recording, you just turn it on, right? As you can see, my face is showing, right? And then you can, put it wherever you want it to be. Okay, but I don't want my face to show, so let's just turn it off. Okay, then you have brush here. This brush just helps you to, maybe you want to emphasize on something, or you want to show your audience something. You can just use it to, demonstrate it. Let me just do it. Then you click on the brush here, whichever one you want to use, you click it. Probably you want to use an arrow to show that this is what you're talking about, right? Or you want to maybe circle something, you just do like this. Okay, that's just what brush is all about. When you are done with all the settings, all you have to do is to hit the record button and start screen recording your phone. Once you are done doing this, or either you come here and you stop it by clicking this red button, or you swipe like this and you click on stop here. Whichever one is the same thing. So once I'm done recording, then I come over to InShot or whichever editing app that I want to use. Then I click on video, I click on new, and I bring in the screen recorded video. Okay, so you see, this is how, very simple. So now it depends on where you want this screen record video to show. Okay, for me, I usually put it sometimes in the middle of my video, because sometimes I might want to do an intro. So when I do the intro, I can say something like let's dive in, or let me show you my screen. So when I do that, that means I have to put something like this after that intro clip. So depending on where you want this, either at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end, you just do what please you. You can also change the background if you don't like this background, like the black background. Sometimes I leave it, sometimes I change it. If you want to change it, all you have to do is to come to background here. Okay, you can either use any of this, or you use colors, you see, or you use these gradients. So whichever one, just do what works for you. Okay, and when you are done, you export your videos, and that's all. That's how I screen record my videos while teaching. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video so that others can see it. Subscribe to my channel for more editing tips, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video. If you have any video you want me to do, drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.